Excel is very good with text. One of the common things that we would like to do with text is to concatenate text strings. So here we have an example of first name and surname concatenated together to give full name. This is quite simple using Excel's concatenator operator. Simply say equals, use the concatenator operator to combine it with the surname, and we end up with the concatenated string. You'll see in this case there's no space between the Alexander and the Smith, but we can pretty easily put that in by double quotes, space, double quotes, and repeating the concatenator operator so that we're actually joining first name, space and surname to get Alexander Smith, and that copies down very well. Slightly more difficult example perhaps is to concatenate a number of strings, some constant strings and some variable strings, to come up with a statement like this for these payments on these dates. So again, it's a simple matter of saying thank you, comma, space, concatenated with the first name, concatenated with quotes, comma, space, for your payment of space, concatenated with the amount, concatenated with the word space on space, concatenated with the date. Now if you do this, you can see that the amount doesn't come out as something looking all that good, and the date certainly doesn't even look like a date. So we can solve this problem by using the text function within Excel to say, okay, we specifically want the text of the amount formatted as dollars with 2 decimal places. Let's just see how that looks. This time the 6350 is okay, and likewise with the date on the end we can format that, text of that. You can see that we're just after the date which has got the day followed by the full month, which we can represent that way, and that's how we end up with the 15th of February, just to widen the column. And when we copy this down, we get a different length string depending on the length of the names, but it's exactly what we were after for this